You've been studying for hours and remembering nothing? You sit there rereading the same page 5 times, wondering why nothing sticks, and the truth is, you are bad at learning and studying. Not because you are dumb, but because you don't know the right way of doing it. Look, I get it. You're spending entire nights with your books open, highlighters everywhere, notes all over the place, and when the test comes, you blank out like you never studied at all. That's not your problem. That's your method's problem, and it's killing your grades and your confidence while everyone else seems to get it on the first try. But here's what changes everything. Your brain has a specific way it locks information in, and once you understand that, studying becomes faster, easier, and actually works. You're about to learn 4 formulas that will completely change how you study, and if you actually use them, 7 days from now, you won't recognize your own study sessions. Before we get into this, hit subscribe right now because you're going to need these reminders. You're going to need this channel pushing you to stay on track when you want to go back to your old ways. Formula 1. Active recall over passive reading. Stop reading your notes over and over hoping something will stick, because it won't. Your brain needs to work for the information, so here is what you should do. Close the book and try to explain what you just read out loud like you're teaching someone else. And if you still can't remember, it is okay on the first try, but try this as well. Quiz yourself constantly. Force your brain to pull the information out instead of just looking at it again and again. Formula 2. Space your study sessions instead of cramming everything into one night. Your brain needs time between sessions to move information from short-term to long-term memory. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. Don't try to do 4 hours straight, because after the first hour, you're basically wasting your time. Your focus is gone, and nothing new is getting in. Formula 3. Organize your entire study system. You have to do this so you're not losing time searching for what to study next. And honestly, this is where most students fall apart. They waste hours just figuring out what's due, what to review, where their notes are. If you're serious about this, you need the Student OS. It's a complete system that manages your time, tracks every assignment and exam so nothing sneaks up on you, keeps all your notes in one place, and helps you study way more effectively without the chaos. You stop feeling overwhelmed because everything is organized and clear. They've also got other planners you can check out. Use code OS17 at checkout for exclusive access. Stop fighting with the mess and get a system that actually works. Formula 4. Teach what you learn within 24 hours. Find someone and explain the topic to them in simple words. If you can't explain it simply, you don't actually understand it yet, and this will show you exactly what gaps you still have. Teaching forces your brain to organize information in a way that passive studying never does. These 4 formulas aren't theory. They're how your brain is built to learn, and most students never figure this out, so they spend years studying hard instead of studying smart. So now, try to implement these formulas and steps into your studying sessions so that you can actually study effectively next time. And if you're serious about managing your studies with a complete study system, then get the Student OS. Link in the comments. Subscribe now and become part of our community. See you next time.